Want to explode your email list and turn website visitors into loyal subscribers? Let's dive into crafting high-converting opt-in pages directly within Mailerlite. Step-by-step. First, navigate to the Sites section, or Forms. If you're building a pop-up or embedded form, click Create Landing Page to build a standalone opt-in page. Give your page a descriptive name, something you'll easily remember. A killer headline is crucial. Use power words and clearly state the value proposition instead of sign up, try, get your free. Next, write compelling copy that expands on your headline. Briefly explain what subscribers will receive and the benefits of joining your list. Use bullet points for easy readability. Now, let's talk visuals. Choose a high-quality image or video that relates to your offer. A professional visual instantly boosts credibility. Your call to action button needs to stand out. Use action-oriented language like download now, get instant access, or join the community. Customize the button color to contrast with the background and make it pop. Finally, configure your success message and redirect URL after someone subscribes. Show a thank you message and redirect them to a valuable resource or a thank you page on your website, and that's it. Regularly track your opt-in page's performance in Mailerlite's analytics. Experiment with different headlines, copy, and visuals to continuously improve your conversion rate. Happy list building.